What's going on, guys? It's Mark from Prime Branding back again. Video number 8. Today we're talking about everybody's favorite subject, money. When do you start asking your viewers and your readers and your audience to start doing things that are going to earn you income? Let's get going. All right, so this video isn't about earning money directly from YouTube through ad rolls. We all know you have to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours or something like that right now. It might change by the time you're watching this to earn the pittance that YouTube will give you for running and placing ads on your video. Roughly between $1, $2, sometimes higher per 1,000 views, depending on the type of video you have, the time of year, and how many ads can be shown. You know, safe bet, assume you're going to make $1, between $1 and $2 per 1,000 views once you're able to enroll. And when you start realizing that when you only get 5,000 to 10,000 views of video over the course of a month, that $5 isn't really adding up to much, at least not until you get into the I've got 600 videos on my channel that are earning me $5 a month. Then it adds up, but that goes back to posting as often as possible. No, what I'm talking about is, when do I start telling my audience to go here and purchase an item that I'm promoting? To maybe I'm selling art because you're watching an art channel, and if you want to purchase this, you can get it on my Etsy. Maybe I'm reviewing gadgets and gear and I want you to go buy them from Best Buy or Amazon. Or maybe it's just as simple as I'm selling a package, I'm sending you to my Patreon. There's many options. We're gonna go over a couple of them. And when should you start promoting that? Just like a lot of things on this channel, the answer is as soon as humanly possible. If I go 300 videos and I've never asked you to do anything for me as the audience, and all of a sudden I'm like, and today I want you to buy this journal, You're like, geez, Mark, where'd that come from? That's out of the blue. But if I always tell you, like, hey, go down to the description, I've got links to all the gear that I use on my channel. So if you like the look of this, there's a link for the laptop, there's a link for the camera, the link for the lights, there's a link for the backdrop, there's a link for the desk. They're non-intrusive, right? You don't have to sign up. But I hope you'll be interested enough or go, oh, I kind of like the sound of his audio. Maybe I want to find out what wireless mic he's using, into which recorder. Links are in the description below. You click it, it's going to take you over to Amazon. It's going to take you to the page of the product. I'm telling you that it's an affiliate link, which means that you as the consumer click on it. You purchase it, I earn a small commission, usually between 2 and 3% of the sale. You don't pay any extra as the audience, but I make a little something just for listing it as a commission from Amazon or different websites. Now, how do you sign up for those? Now, Amazon's probably the easiest and the most popular one that you'll see. So if you go to Amazon.com, which we got up on the screen here, and it's all your normal selling stuff, and you don't see any information about that. But on most sites that are reputable and that offer it, if you go all the way to the bottom here and you look, second column was at 3 down, become an affiliate. So you can go through here and fill out all the information, sign in with your Amazon account and all that, obviously, and it'll explain how it works. And the gist of it is, the reason people like Amazon so much as well, depending on the time of year, sometimes you get more than that 3%. And sometimes what happens is you clicked my link to purchase this microphone that I'm wearing, and you decide not to buy the microphone. But while you're logged in, within the time frame that Amazon gives you, if you purchase something else, maybe you decide to pick up a new television, a blender, could be anything, a pair of socks, I still get a commission because I'm the reason that you went to Amazon for that time. Different sites work differently, but they're all pretty similar. One of the channels I work with is a painting channel. This is not his art, but the idea is that you watch him create the art, and then we offer prints of the art for sale through a couple different options, as well as then affiliate links for the different materials that he uses. So again, these are non-intrusive. They can be worked organically into every video that you're doing, so that there's a potential for the for the video to generate you some income, even though you may not be part of YouTube's ad revenue services yet, or Facebook's video ad services yet. Granted, if you are, I'm going to grab this piece of art again because it is so pretty. I'm not even sure which way is up. Now, if you are an artist that you're promoting your prints and stuff, or your originals, right? You always sell your originals for more. You sell prints of it for a little bit less. A lot of those can be done through distribution. The same reason why you see a lot of people doing print on demand. Hey, get this on a t-shirt, get my other design on a t-shirt, get channel merch that has my logo to show your support, or a cool catchphrase that maybe I came up with. You know, Teespring, Redfish, there's a bunch of them out there. Same kind of thing. They charge 20 bucks or $18. You can charge 20, so you make $2 off of every sale. Those work, but not as well as selling your original stuff, because I think the audience has gotten smart enough to know that if I end up on primebranding.teespring.com to buy a Prime Branding t-shirt, you know it's a print-on-demand shirt, and it's going to take 3 weeks for you to get it. So you have to be a pretty strong fan. Whereas if I'm selling original art, or maybe I've paid the money to have the t-shirts pre-printed and I have them in my back room, you know, I can usually ship out in 2 to 3 days. So keep that kind of stuff in mind too. If you're asking your audience to purchase things, how soon are they going to get it? Because if they know they have to wait, there's a better chance that less people are going to go through the hassle, especially when you're small. Other things you can do is, you know, talk to local businesses in your area, or friends, or collaborations with people that maybe you have a larger audience than they do. Or, you know, times are rough right now with COVID and everything else. So maybe hawk your favorite restaurant down the street and tell them to give you a promotion code. Hey, use, you know, coupon Mark, it's in the description, or there's a JPEG link that you can take to the local Italian place, and they'll give you a kickback for that. We keep thinking that all these big YouTubers even are doing brand deals, right? They want you to have this illusion that they go out and they're hitting the streets and they're hustling and bustling and they're going, oh man, use Skillshare, use Masterclass, use Avis Car Rental, use Delta, any of these companies that they really hard hawk. Some of them may have special, unique deals, but you'd be surprised how many of them are just pushing the traditional affiliate link. Anything that you think you're willing to promote in terms of somebody else's service, look if they have an affiliate link first before you talk about it, because you might as well earn a couple percent. Now, the other one that we haven't touched on yet is signing up for like a Patreon account, something where you're going to offer your audience a secret look behind the scenes, maybe extra content, bloopers, exclusive merchandise, things of that nature. When you're starting out, it's hard enough to get your initial following, let alone get them to sign up to pay you extra money to watch more of your stuff. If you're going to ask people for money, you should probably develop something or provide some extra level of service or entertainment to make it worth their while. Patreon's nice. It's got the tiers. You can do $1 as a thank you. You could and get access to stuff. You can do $100, but it's never too soon. I mean, that's the basic concept. It's never too soon to start providing ways for you to earn an income off your videos from day one. The income, just like your views and your subscriber base, are going to start small, but it's there for when you are larger later and new subscribers decide to start going back through your back catalog of content. There's already things, which again, it's a good idea. I'm going to do it on my future videos, and even going to go back because I haven't done that many yet. So now I can go back, use my Amazon account, use my different accounts, and set up those affiliate links. So like I said, you want to buy my camera, you want to buy my phone, my laptop, anything that I may or may not have in the video or I recommend, there'll be links even in the past ones now that, hey, if I make $5, I made $5. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like, hit the follows. Check out my daily Instagram posts and things of small inspiration as I develop what I'm going to do more with this channel. If you got any comments or questions, leave them below. And of course, thanks for watching. I will see you next time.